going to basically create a mobile robot control application which allows this little robot to navigate an environment that we have in the lab. The environment is a 3 foot by 4 foot space. Your robot is going to start somewhere in this quadrant here. You don't know exactly where it's going to start, nor its initial orientation. Then your robot control application is going to autonomously, that means you don't get to do anything to it, you just turn it on and let it go. Your robot is going to autonomously wander around this playing field in search of the target. When it finds the target, it's going to do a little happy dance and circle around a 360 to indicate that it's found the target. And the target is a 12 inch by 12 inch black square on the ground. So that's what you're going to be able to do in about 3 or 3.5 hours. Like 30 lines of code, this is hundreds of machine instructions, right? So it's not clear there's a connection at all. But if we focus on just a small piece, we might be able to see a connection here, right? So the first couple instructions correspond to this line, and these instructions here correspond to this down here. So the point is, if you focus on a very small part, you might be able to see a connection. The other point to note here is that this is really what we see as humans. This is what the robot sees, these numbers here. So when you ask what is CF, those are that's bits that the robot sees that correspond to this machine instruction. Stops. Here it's stopping, but it's trying to keep going forward. And it's because your bump sensors are in the middle. And that one's okay, right? That's what's good. So if it keeps doing that, so that might be the
So how would you want to do it? I mean, you could just change the speed and the delay time. We didn't even plan it to be 90. Like when we tried it, there was more, and then now it's 90.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Oh no! The irony. Alright, let's just change the turning time because this way too hard. I think we make it back up.
Maybe we have a delay too long or something. That's so slow.
It's okay. We'll just have to get this turned up as much. So we're good for less time. Yeah, it's when it's like a straight line.
No. We just got a little
I actually like how you're making, when you back it up, instead of going straight back and turn, you're kind of merging those two states together. So you're backing up and turning at the same time, right? Yeah. That's a little different than some of the other two. It works fine, just be careful don't back into something.
What is it to reset it?
Well done. All right.